Emergency Response Management Training is a comprehensive program designed to equip organizations with the necessary knowledge and skill to effectively respond to various types of emergencies and disasters. The training aims to prepare participants to handle crisis situations and mitigate their impact on people, property, and the environment. The Emergency Response Management Training is designed for Crisis Management Team, Emergency Response Team and Initial Responders. This training uses various techniques. For example, presentations, activities, discussions, analysis of past incidents, individual experience sharing and tabletop exercise to simulate real emergencies.